Number 1, letter A. Choose the correct answer. The greatest common factor of relative prime numbers is 1, such that 2 and 3 can be divided by 1 only. Any two relatively prime numbers can be divided by 1 only. We call the relatively prime numbers because the common factor between them equal 1. Question letter B. Space is neither positive nor a negative number, it will be 0. 0 is neither positive nor a negative number. Question letter C. All integers are space numbers. All integers rational numbers. Such that 3, we can write it 3 over 1. Any rational number we can write in this form, a over b, because the denominator must be not equal 0. We call it rational number. In rational number, the denominator about rational number not equal to 0. Okay, so we called it rational number. 3 was integers, and in integers numbers we called it rational numbers. So all integers are rational numbers. Letter D. The number of terms that make up algebraic expression 5x plus 3y plus 2. We have 3 terms here. 3 terms. We have 3 terms. Question letter E. The inequality that represent all values less than or equal to negative 7. X less than or equal to negative 7. Okay. Second, complete the following. Letter A. Here, space to the power space 6, 4, right? 6 and 4. 6 to power 4, it will be 6 in the base and 4 in the power, or in exponent. Letter B. If a meal costs 65 pounds, what is the price of P meals of the same type? We can find the multiplication between two numbers to find the total. Total cost is 65 multiplication by B. Question letter C. If 8m equals 16, then twice m plus 3 equal what? We know 8m equals 16, then we can find the value of m. 16 divided by 8 equal 2, then m here equal 2. Then he won't find the result of twice m plus 3. Twice m, 2 times the value of m, 2 times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2 equal 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. The result will be 7. About letter C. Letter D. The inequality that represent positive integers is what? We can write this inequality x greater than 0 refers to the positive integers. Letter E. The inequality that represent on opposite number line here. We have 2, 3, 4. To infinity, it will be x greater than or equal to this number 2. Or we can write x greater than 1. If 1 and 2, we called it integers. Okay, so the result x greater than 1 or x greater than or equal to 2. Question here third. Okay, use the opposite box plot to find the minimum and the maximum. Okay, the minimum value, look at here, the minimum was 2. Letter P. The maximum will be what? Maximum will be 10. Letter C. The median equal what? The median here equals 6. And our quartile letter what we have APC. The median letter D. Upper quartile here was 8. Okay, it was upper quartile. Letter E. Lower quartile here it was 3. It's lower quartile. Question number 2. Find the value of each of the following. We have d power 3 plus 7. If d equal 3, then the value of the expression will be 3 power 3, but 3 here, 3 power 3 plus 7. 3 power 3 equal 27 plus 7. It will be what? 34. The result will be 34. Okay, understood? Letter P, we have 37 subtract 4e. If e equal 2, then the value will be what? 37 subtract by 4 times 2. 4 times 2 equal 8, then the result will be 37 minus 8. We can find the difference, it will be 29. 29, okay? Assessment number 2. Choose the correct answer. Space is a prime number. We have 11. 11 is a prime number because 11 can divide it by itself and 1 only. We have two factors about 11. Question letter B, negative 7 over 4 greater than space here. It will be greater than what? We have negative 8 over this number. Yes, because negative 8 over 4 it will be negative 2. Then it will be greater than negative 8 over 4. Because the result here will be 2. And negative 7 over 4, we can write, convert this number. 1 times 4 equal 4, and the remainder will be 3. Then negative 1 and 3 over 4 greater than negative 2. Okay? Okay, because it's next to 0. Letter E is expression that represent half the difference between the number A and 7. Half the difference between the number A and 7. Okay, the difference between two numbers here. Question letter E. 5 power 0 equal 1 and 0 power 5 equal 0. Then this number will be greater than. Question here. Do you like the red color? Is non-statical question. This question non-statical. Okay. Do you like the red color? Is a non-statical. Letter E, write non-statical. Is non-statical. Non-statical questions. Letter P. The median of the values here, we can find the median by a range of the value assembly from least to greatest. Right here 3 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Since the median here will be 6, the result will be 6 about question letter B. Question letter C. Space is the only prime even number. It will be 2. 2 is an even prime number. It's the only. All prime numbers we called it odd, such that 2 is only prime number, or is only prime even numbers. Okay, so 2 is the only even numbers. 2 is the only even number because 2 can divide it by itself and 1. Okay, we know prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Question letter D. The next number of 0, it will be 1. Question letter E. Like terms in the algebraic expression here, we have 3b and 2p. Okay, 3b and 2p. It's like terms here. Question third, letter A. A travel agency wants to divide 3,556 passengers using microbus. Each one has 14 seats. How many microbus can be travel agency use? Okay, we can divide it, the sum with the total of people's here, passengers, divided to 14 seats. We want to find how many microbus can be travel agency use. So we can find the number of them, number of microbus, by using long division between two numbers. We have here 3,556 divided by 14. 3 divided by 14, we can't do it. And 35 divided by 14, we can do. Okay, so you must write 2 here. 2 times 14 equal 28. Nearest to this number. 35 minus 8 equal what? Equal 7. And then draw 5, 14 here, and 75 divided by 14 equal what? 4 times 14, 4 times 4, 16. Okay, we can disable digit by digit, and then 14 times 6, 4 times 6 equal 24, right? 4 and carry up 2, 1 times 6 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8. Greater than this number, you must write 14 times 5. 14 times 5 equals 70. Okay, right here 5 and here 70, and then find the difference between two numbers. 75 subtracted by 70, it will be 5, and then drop the next number here, 6. The result will be 56. 56 divided by 14 equal 4, because 4 times 14 equals 65, 56. Right, 4 here, 4 times 14 equal 56. Then the number of microbus, it will be 254. We can write 254 microbus. Okay. Next question, letter B. Draw the box plot of the cross value. To draw the box plot, you must find the median or arrange. First step, arrange all the value. We have here 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8 and 8. We have 6 here and 8 and 8. Okay. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we can find the median between two numbers. It will be 5. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and 9. Okay. And 5, we called it the median. So you must draw this line. And from this part, we can find 3 here, lower quartile, and from this part 8, it will be upper quartiles. Then you can draw the box here beginning from 8. Okay, 8 here, and the minimum it will be 2. Okay, then some minimum and maximum, and the median 5, and the lower quartile 3, and upper quartile 8.